Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel Be the Better You with Sridevi Ravichandran. So today's topic that I am going to illustrate is how to write your own unique resume. And this is especially for freshers. I'm going to make two separate videos for this topic as we cannot cover this topic under 10 minutes. So this video is part 1. Let us see more on what we are going to learn in this video. So we're going to see what is a resume, why do you need to build your own unique resume, steps to create your own resume, part 1 with an example. So what is a resume? A resume is a document that contains summary of your background, education, work experience, skills, credentials and accomplishments. Resume, mostly along with cover letter, commonly used as first step in your job search and securing professional job position. Why do you need to build your own unique resume? Your resume acts as your introduction to your potential employer before actually meeting him or her in person. In average, an hiring personnel looks at your resume not more than 20 seconds. You have to catch their attention in that short span of time. If you're creating your resume without any originality, ripping it from thousands of resumes that are available online, it will not help you anyway in landing your dream job. At present, many companies are using resume scanning software. If you copy or submit shabby resume, you are rejected in seconds. When you create your own resume from scratch, it actually creates good first impression about you to your potential employer. It acts as your personalized marketing tool. It helps a recruiter understand your background in a precise and concise manner. A clearly constructed resume highlights your strengths to the hiring company, giving you the chance to have an upper hand over the other candidates during the screening process. Resume can act as a self-analysis tool for yourself. It helps you to understand your strengths and weakness, thus giving you a chance to work on your weakness. A well-constructed resume can pass resume scanning software with ease. So let us see how to write your own unique resume. So for this illustration, I have segregated the resume into two parts. So in part 1, we are going to see the name, contact information, career objective, educational qualifications, key skills or certifications. In part 2, internships, project handled, extracurricular achievements and personal details. So part 1. In part 1, first comes your name. Your name must be written with proper spelling. Next, your contact information. In that comes your address. Address must be your current address that you're residing in. And then your phone number. A phone number must be which you're using currently, and you must be in a position where you can answer it whenever the company calls. And the mail ID, it must be professional. Please avoid using IDs like lookatme.com or anything like that. If you feel your ID is not professional, create one using your first and last name, combine them, create a new one like anjalisharma@gmail.com. And if you want, you can add your Instagram ID or your LinkedIn profile. I strongly advise you that please open your LinkedIn profile, as it is a professional networking site. Even if you're a student, it will help you more in growing in your career in future. So the next is, I'm going to show you an example. I've created a mock resume. Here, as I said, that I have given the name and then the address, then the phone number and email ID. And you can add your Instagram or your LinkedIn profile, anything that you want to add, your social media link, even your Skype ID, anything that you want to add here, it can be added here. Okay. So next is your career objective. So open your statement with your strongest it, right? Add your soft skills and hard skills here. Soft skills is your creativity, critical thinking, being enthusiastic, your positive attitude and so on. Hard skill depends upon the field you're in. Mostly list your technical skills. Please don't randomly list everything you find in your Google search. Analyze yourself and find out your strength. For example, if you have organized your college cultural events, you can add good organization skills and good coordinating skills. This can be done only doing self-analysis, using simple parameters, and understand your skills and mention the same here. Don't overcrowd this place. 5 to 6 skills are enough to demonstrate your ability. Another important thing to note here is using keywords and strategically placing them in your resume. You can find relevant keywords for your field in internet. There are a lot of resources available. Or you can also customize your resume by using the keywords listed in job description. This will increase your chance 70%, more than 70% to get selected for the interview. And then define your career goals like gaining knowledge, growing and acquiring new skills. And also you should mention what value that you can bring to the company that you're applying, right? Please keep it simple and short, not exceeding more than 2 to 3 lines. So again, I'm going to show you an example how you can do it. So here I have written, organized, innovative, self-motivated individual is seeking position in marketing department in your esteemed concern. So we have listed our skills here, and you are specific that in what department that you want to apply in, and also you have mentioned that you want to enhance your career, learn and grow from the best. And then with my communication, interpersonal, negotiation skills, again you have listed your soft skills here. As it is a marketing department, so negotiation will come under your your technical skills as well. So contribute towards fulfilling organization strategic desires. So you also mentioned that you will contribute to the organization's development as well. So next comes your educational qualification. So list your educational qualification from your recent degree that you have earned, and technical skills or certifications. So here you can mention your computer skills or any certificate courses that you have completed. I'll show the example that what I have done here. So the first is like your recent degree, maybe your MBA, then comes your BCom, then your 12th standard, your 10th standard, mention your percentage or GPA or anything that you want. And here key skills I've just written, your computer skills like MS Office or HTML and so on. You can mention whatever any certification courses that you've done, you can mention it here. With this we have covered part 1. So in part 2 video we're going to see how to write internship, projects handled, achievements, personal details and general guidelines of do's and don'ts, while writing a resume. And also I'm going to illustrate with example how to add key skills in your resume. That is customizing your resume based on the job you're applying. So thank you again for watching this video. Please do watch my part 2 video as well on how to write a resume. And please subscribe my channel for more career related videos. And thanks again.